Hi, I'm Shawne Vinson. Today is Saturday. I always love Saturdays. Saturday is my favorite day of the week. And as for the Saturday, I'm going to teach you how to make a Saturday. Like ice cream sundae. Well, just Saturday is like I spelled it for you. Saturdae. Saturday. I remember a long time ago when I was a child, where my brothers and sisters and I have been watching Saturday morning cartoons back in the 80s. I always loved Saturday morning cartoons. I kind of missed it all the time from my life. We heard I heard on the ABC Saturday morning commercials of the 80s. It's about now that's a Saturday. As for real, I'm going to show you how to make a Saturday. This is a Sunday bowl, or you can use a champagne glass of cup. This is a sliced pineapple, so you could just put 2 or 3 sliced pineapple. At least I should be able to put 3. And you can use fresh banana, so you can cut in half or just a little more. And then peeled it. Right in the middle. And you can use yogurt, any flavors you want for the original peach, mixed berry, blueberry, and strawberry, and more. So you can just put the spoon right here of the route for the circle on the topping of the sliced pineapple. And last but not least, you can use red or seedless grapes. So you can put here on the top, that's right, top of the yogurt on the rounded circles. It's easy to make a healthy treat. It's not just a dessert. It's a healthy one. And that's that. Here's what it looks. There you have it, and that's it. So this is why I teach you how to make a Saturday. Now that's a Saturday. This is Shawne Vinson, and I'll see you there. Peace.